Oliver Davies yn clirio I lanelli. Fydd hwnna'n hawdd I Lee Jenkins yr amddiffynwr ifanc, ond mae'r bas yn llac a Mark Jones bron a manteisio ar y blerwch yn y cefn cyn flin o'r aber yn methu cyfle I lanelli. Curtis March. Mae yna le fan hyn gan James Loveridge allan ar y dde, prif sgoriwr Llanelli I fewn i'r cwrt. Cyfle I James Loveridge I sgorio bedwaredd yn y tymor. Mae Llanelli ar y blaen wedi 17 o funudau. Sylwch ar y lleodd gan Loveridge. A mae record sgorio fo'n dangos doedd o ddim am fethu o fanna. Jordan Davies, Llanelli na dennill y meddiant yn nghanol cae. A mae'n dipyn o bas gan Davies, mae Cormick wedi dod allan amdani. Mark Jones heibio i'r golwr, mae Loveridge yn gymorth. Jones yn mynd I hun ac oddi ar y llinell yn arwrol gan Ryan Wollacott. Ond mi nath Mark Jones y gwaith caled heibio'r golwr. A mi oedd Loveridge mewn safle gwell, swn i'n dweud. Mi ddyle fod I pasio, a mae James Loveridge yn gandryll fod y heb wneud. Alan Goodall at Ryan Edwards. Nôl mae'n mynd at Goodall. Creu chydig o le efo hun yr ergyd, a mi oedd angen cyffyrddiad gan Oliver Davies. O'r ergyd nerthol gan Alan Goodall. Declan Walker. O, chydig yn esgilus, a mae y bel gan Mark Jones. Chris Thomas di parhau erediad allan ar y chwith. Cyfle fan hyn I lanelli. Thomas, mae Jones yno. A Loveridge yn rhydd ar y dde. James Loveridge I ddyblu'r fantais am arbediad gan Terry McCormick. Jones yn penderfynu pasio I Loveridge y tro yma. Ddyle fod I cymryd ar y cynnig cyntaf falle. Gwaith da gan y golwr. Jones sgiliau da gan y gŵr ifanc. A Wes Baines creu chydig o ledd efo hun I groesi. Teg at Amadi, mae'n mynd y peniad gan Amadi. A mae'r bel yng nghefn y rhwyd a mae'n smonach gan y golwr Oliver Davies. O fydd amser gweld hon eto, chydig dros awr ar y cloc. Peniad gan Amadi. A mi ddylai'r golwr di cadw hon allan. Amadi yn ôl at Goodall. Yn croesi. A mae Jeff Kellaway yn gwbl rydd. A Kellaway I chladdu hi. 2 gol o fewn 2 funud I Aberystwyth, a maen nhw wedi troi'r gêm ar I phen. Yr hen ben Jeff Kellaway, ni sgoriodd o ddiwedd yng nghanol wsos yng nghwpan y gyngrair, a mae wedi gwneud ti eto. Walker dros y gig gornel. Y bel yn cael ei chlirio, dim ond teg at Ryan Edwards. Edwards yn croesi fi, a Davies yn dod yn dyrnu, ond y methu'r bel yn llwyr. Llanast unwaith eto gan y golwr, mae'n noson I wanghofio I Oliver Davies drian. A Joe Phillips fanteisiodd ar y blerwch, a wnaeth o'n sgorio gol haws y tymor yma. Davies. Bas yna chydig yn fyr, Edwards di cipio'r bel. A Tanco cyffyrddiad llac gan y fo hefyd, Rio Amadi. Amadi am I ail o'r noson, ond Davies yn dal I di'r tro yma. Tancock, pas sy'n unlle braidd. A Wollacott yn clirio. Ashley Rwan sy'n o'n rheoli gyda'i gefn. Ashley Rwan yn ei gêm gyntaf I Aberystwyth. Yn syth tuag at y golwr Oliver Davies. Rwan di ymuno ag Aber yng nghanol wsos. Ond y methu cyfle I raidd yn hwyr yn y gêm ar goedlan y parc.
You know, game of 2 halves, we were poor first half. You know, we were 6 and 7s, we were sloppy all over the park. If it wasn't for Terry McCormack keeping us in it, we could have gone in 2-0 down, and it's a different game then. But you know, we changed it around half time. We told the players exactly what they were doing wrong, and they went out and turned it round second half. You know, they proved us, you know, they have got it in them to go and win a game, and you know, all over the park second half we were dominant, and obviously the introduction of Rio Amadi and going 2 up top caused them all sorts of problems. And but as you say, we defended better. You know, we were better in midfield. You know, we were better all over the park, and they say it was a game of 2 halves, but it was a massive 3-pointer. You know, we target these teams around us, and you know, we said tonight we got TNS away coming up, so we need 3 points, and the players took it on board and went out second half and duly obliged for me.
That's what we kind of set ourselves out for this week, is you know, to create more chances, which we did first half. And then second half, you know, credit where credit's due. Nev's changed the formation. They've matched us up, and they've gone man for man. And they've competed, and they've out-jumped us. They've outrun us, and which, you know, that hurts really. So, you know, we'll dust ourselves down. We'll get into training in the week, and you know, we're looking to put things right next week.
And it's a tough game this week at Bauer.
Yeah. You know, we go into tough run of fixtures now. So, you know, we were earmarking this fixture as a fixture to possibly get some points. So yeah, it's going to be a tough couple of weeks. But you know, we've got good characters in there, good bunch of boys. So we'll stick together, and I'm sure we'll be fine.